So it's going to be a quick unboxing of the HTC U12 Plus. This is HTC's latest flagship smartphone, powered by Android 8.0 Oreo. It has a 6-inch Quad HD Super LCD 6 display, Snapdragon 845 processor, 6 gigs of RAM, either 64 or 128 gigs of internal storage plus a micro SD. Comes in two colors, or three colors: black, transparent blue, or translucent blue, and also a reddish color. This one's the 64 gig model. As you can see here, it also has two cameras, one 12 megapixel camera and one 16 megapixel camera. One is wide angle, one is like regular kind of optical zoom and whatnot. You have HTC boom sound. It comes with HTC U-Sonic with active noise cancellation. It also comes with EdgeSense 2, which was first introduced on the HTC U11 from last year, which basically you could squeeze the size and do all different sorts of functions, similar to activating the Google Assistant by squeezing the sides on the Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL. So let's dig inside the box. So here we have the phone itself, HTC U12. As you can see here, this is the translucent blue version. As you can see, you kind of see the back internals of the phone. There you have the fingerprint sensor, the dual cameras, flash. These aren't actually real buttons. They're kind of touch sensitive buttons, similar to what you would find on the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, and 8 Plus with the home button. There's the two front-facing cameras, volume buttons, power lock, USB-C port, SIM and micro SD slot. What else in the box? We have the USB wall adapter, USB-C to Type A cable, ear tips, and a USB pair of earphones. You also get a case for the phone, which just snaps on to the back of the. There you go. That's the case for the HTC U12 Plus. You also have manuals, SIM ejector tool, all that type of stuff. So yeah, so that's been a quick unboxing of the HTC U12 Plus. It's available now, starting at $1,099 Canadian, and that's for the 64 gig model. And if you get the 128, it's much more expensive. So it's available now in Canada, US, and other markets. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the